How to get ultimate big saver Zoom package for your online courses. It seems like you're interested in finding ways to save a significant amount of money on Zoom packages. Here's a breakdown of how you can save money with Zoom. 1. Choose the right plan. Zoom offers various plans tailored to different needs, including basic, pro, business, and enterprise plans. Assess your requirements carefully to select the most suitable plan for your usage. If you don't need advanced features like large meeting capacities or cloud storage, consider opting for a lower tier plan. 2. Commit to annual billing. Zoom offers discounts for users who choose annual billing instead of monthly billing. By committing to an annual subscription upfront, you can save a considerable amount compared to paying on a month-to-month basis. 3. Take advantage of promotions. Keep an eye out for special promotions or discounts offered by Zoom throughout the year. They occasionally run promotions during holidays or special events, offering discounted rates or additional features for new subscribers. 4. Utilize volume discounts. If you have a large organization or require multiple licenses, consider leveraging volume discounts offered by Zoom. They provide discounts for organizations purchasing a large number of licenses or upgrading to higher tier plans with more features. 5. Explore bundled packages. Zoom sometimes offers bundled packages or deals that include multiple services or features at a discounted rate. These packages may include additional services like Zoom Rooms, webinar licenses, or add-on features bundled together for a lower overall cost. 6. Negotiate with sales representatives. For larger organizations or enterprise-level customers, it's often possible to negotiate pricing directly with Zoom sales representatives. Reach out to their sales team to discuss your specific needs and see if they can offer customized pricing or discounts based on your requirements. 7. Optimize license management. Regularly review your Zoom license usage and adjust your subscription accordingly to avoid paying for unused licenses. Remove inactive users or downgrade unnecessary features to optimize your subscription costs. 8. Consider alternatives. While Zoom is a popular choice for video conferencing, it's worth exploring alternative solutions that may offer comparable features at a lower cost. Evaluate other video conferencing platforms and collaboration tools to see if there are more cost-effective options available. By implementing these strategies, you can maximize savings on your Zoom package and potentially save a significant amount of money over time. Remember to regularly review your usage and subscription needs to ensure you're getting the best value for your investment.